guys? Alex over here in the trails, and I just found some local guys over here. I saw them hitting the drop and they want to show me how they do it, and they want to go live on YouTube. So let's see what these guys can do. Hey, subscribe, that way you can see more of these guys in the future. Let's ride. T8, yes.
That's like,
yeah. I had a
you're probably gonna have to take 2 flips, cause
there they come. Man. Guys make it look super easy. Let me head over to that side, that way I can record that side too. There they come. Hell yeah! Shredding. That's what's up, guys. Super cool. Okay, so what are you riding? You got a Marlin 7?
yes, sir.
What size is it?
A 27.5.
27 and a half. Very good. Medium frame, small frame?
Small frame.
What's your name?
Alan.
Alan. Nice to meet you, Alan. You got a Marlin as well?
Marlin 6.
Marlin 6. What's your name?
John.
John. Keep on shredding, guys. You guys are doing great.
Thank you.
Alright, guys. So local guys over here in the trail, hitting the trails, hitting all the features that I can't hit. That's awesome. That's it for this one, guys. Let's ride. See you on the trail.